Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you my quick technique on soft waves. Okay, as you guys can see here, my hair is just air dried. I just washed it and let it air dry, and now I'm going to blow dry it. Ta-da! Done! Don't you just wish life was that easy? Okay, let's start by separating our hair into two sections. I like to make sure that the bottom has less volume, as my hair is definitely very curly, as you guys saw at the beginning. Okay, we're going to separate into two sections again, and then you're going to want to grab about 1-inch sections and go back and forth all the way around. Okay, I like to part my hair in the middle, and I feel like that gives me enough volume if I really want to move it to a side part. You guys will see at the end of the video. Okay guys, here I'm doing it in slow motion. The trick is really in the twist of the wrist. Just watch it. It's almost going to look like you're straining the piece, but it's going to be okay. We're curling it. Don't worry about it. Okay, and like I said at the beginning of the video, just twist and leave. Okay, and here I'm going to do it in the actual speed so you guys can really see. Straight out, you put it in there and you twist slowly. You see that straight wrist, guys? And then go around and continue. Okay, and if you feel like maybe there was some pieces that were left behind, just grab it and curl it. Not a big deal. Also, if you feel like maybe a curl is too curly, just grab your straightener and run it through. Okay, here I'm grabbing some serum from Schwarzkopf Got smoothing satin drops, and I'm just breaking the curl here. Oh, here's that curl I was talking about. Just to grab it, run your straightener through, and you're good to go. And there I switched it to the side parting, and you see all the volume I have. It's really cute, really bouncy. I personally like the style in the middle, just like this. Since my hair is super clean right now, I would like to use the Got powder, volumizing powder, and it just gives you that texture of like that roughness and just feel a little bit more dirty. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss my weekly videos on Tuesdays at 8 p.m.